Hello guys, how are you all? This is our third tutorial on how you can start selling on ecwid. Right, so today is the most important day because today we'll be teaching you or we'll be helping you on how you can get started for free by signing on this platform. So guys, first to start fresh, I'll be explaining you. First type ecwid.com right in your browser, right, and you will be getting this website, right? So go to this black color button, right, get started for free. So I am using uh, Opera browser. In other browsers it will be the same, but there will be small differences, so no need to worry about that, right? So here's the way how you can create a free online store, right, in just few clicks away. So to get started, you can give your full name, email and password, right, and register. If not, you can directly sign up with these three. But guys, I personally recommend you all to go with this step, right? So if you have personal emails and all, you don't you please don't use them here, right? Or if you have a different email separately created for ecwid or other online stuffs, you can directly sign up with Google. So to start up, I'll be using my details, right? So today I'll be giving here this is for demo purpose, right? So this is my email I have created, right? And give your own password, right? uh, right, okay. I gave my own password. Make sure don't forget this, okay? Don't forget the password because you will be uh, you need this email password, right? So don't lose it, because once if you need to log in again, you need those, right? So I'm gonna set up your store, right? Now you will be directed to their dashboard and you have to verify the email. Right, so what is your store's name, right? So guys, to start out with, right, the most important and interesting thing about our tutorial is, guys, we are not gonna teach you something which you had never heard about, right? So we are going to they give the simple idea which you can start drop shipping or direct shipping, but we'll start with drop shipping, right, using AliExpress, right? So as a name, we'll give we'll be targeting about game products, right? So we'll be giving that name like game store, right? Right, you can choose your own country, right? We'll be giving United States and US dollars. So if you are doing a genuine business, right, direct shipping or dropship, you are doing it genuinely, you can fill them. So for this is for demo purpose, we are not gonna fill this, right? So to fill this, guys, they're asking, do you already have experience selling online? So as you are a beginner, I'm just getting started. And what type of products will you be selling, right? So we'll be selling like electronics and computers. Are you setting up a store for someone else? Like guys, if you are like you are a freelancer and all, you can give yes, right? So this, since this is for demo purpose, I'm giving it as no, right? And choose where you will be running your store. So do you already have a website? No, because we are already doing it on ecwid, right? Game store. Here is, guys, like if you have a domain, if you have the premium or venture or business plan or the unlimited plan, you can set up your own domain. But here you will be getting a subdomain which is your store's name plus dot company dot site. So no need to worry about that because this is something uh, professional, right? And click game store is already taken. Okay, sorry, we'll take another name. Game stores. Gaming stores, sto. This is something, this is not I don't take it as difficult, right? It's easy, right? Game stores, game store. Guys, now you can see this is the dashboard, right? Inner space of ecwid, like before the two before tutorials, right? We learned about the outer side, right? Outer side we just went through and we got some idea about that. So now, guys, we are in the inner side, right? So we'll be discussing one by one, like the store management, the sales channels, the configuration, and even the affiliate marketing using ecwid. So there are many opportunities for you, right? So we'll be even explaining you one by one from here. So for today, we'll be ending this tutorial. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, comment your ideas. Have a nice day.